Hey, good morning, everybody. Trying to see if I can focus. I got to the spot. It's about 4:45. Dad, Ben, and I are going to do one of his birthday hunts, and there we go, in focus. I'm waiting on those guys, but I'm going to spend a little time getting the marsh rat brushed in. I haven't used it all year, so those guys are going to be running Aquapods. I think 10-foot Aquapods. I'm going to be running a 9-foot marsh rat. Last week, I scouted this spot, and there was 300 to 400 mallards sitting on it at low tide. So I'm going to jump to that clip right now. It's raining really hard out here. Probably gonna put the waterproof housing on the GoPro and put the big camera away today. Being in a marsh rat, I don't want to ruin the camera gear, so we'll see how that goes. So if the audio sucks, I apologize, but hopefully we'll get some duck killing action. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun one today. I'm excited about it. See you in a bit. There's zero water. That's where the water, where we thought the water was going to be. But there's no water there. Here they come, here they come. Nice shot, buddy. Yeah, I got the first one, but I missed the first two shots. Man, we almost need to turn more this way. Right over us, on the left. Take him, take him. Guys, I think it's time to we try to move. I think we'll be able to get at least down to the corner. We'll be more where they're wanting to circle.